undo a couple of times. All right, so that should be back to how we had this before. I'll print today just to make sure. And next we want to loop over our birthdays. So we'll say for birthday and birthdays. And for a dictionary, it'll by default loop over the what's called the key, which is separated from a value by this colon. So we have key and then value, key and then value. So say for birthday and birthdays, if birthday is equal to today, then we want to print today is our uh, friend plus the name of our friend. So birthday